the 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. It has the 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It is 4x4. It comes with 112,192 miles. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We'll go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle, I did want to let you know, comes in kilometers, not miles. So the number you're seeing up here, 180,557. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 112,192. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame.